Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you some new digital prints in our shop. Now we had a few people that asked if we could do the cameras so that you could punch them out. So what we did them in two different sizes. So you have a bigger sketchy camera and a smaller. And we only did them in the assorted files. So your Cozy Cafe, Apple and Oranges, Radiant Rainbow, Pastel Paradise, and so on and so forth. So there's 6 different assorted files. And they also asked if we could do the wood grain in the punch out. Now for this week, I think he only did this one here, but I'll make sure that he also does the hollow heart and the filled hearts. We just kind of forgot about those. I just thought of them right here, right now. So he made them so you can punch them in 2 different sizes. So you can punch with the 1-in punch, and then you just have like a small border, or you can punch with the 1 1/4 punch, and then that way he put enough around it that you can center it the best you can, and then you can punch it out. So see, there's still a little bit left over. And the same with the camera. You can punch out the 1-inch so that it's right snug to the camera. So the 1-inch. And then you can just plop them on your embellishment clusters as a round embellishment. And then the 1 1/4. Let me show you the difference. So that's the same size camera. That's the bigger sketchy camera. And then you have the smaller one. So again, the 1-inch. And then the 1 1/4. And the reason I wanted the 2 different sizes of camera is then in your embellishment clusters, you can do 1 with the bigger camera, and then you could do 2 with the smaller camera. You could punch them out all the same size as far as the punch and use them in 3 different embellishment cluster, or you could punch them at the smaller size, and then you know how I like to do a large embellishment, a medium, and a small. That way you can make even the punch out a little smaller. So I thought it had been a while since I talked about all the different digital products that we have in our stores. So all our products are digital for now, and you can print them on cardstock. I have a friend that sells Stampin' Up! That sells this Whisper White cardstock, so I'll have a link in the description box below. But I could have printed this on vanilla cardstock or on vellum. I've had people tell me that they printed them on pattern paper and they really like, you know, the look. And I want to show you all the different products that we have. So we have some viewfinders. We have the viewfinders in the 1-inch, the 1 1/2, and the 2-inch, with or without hearts in the center. Then we have the viewfinders that have the stripes. Then we have the viewfinders that have the white polka dots. Then we have 3 different types of labels. We have this, I only brought out 2 different kinds. Those are the small labels, and then you have your bigger labels. And all of those come in all our assorted files, and then all the individual colors. So in the brown, in the blue, in the turquoise, green, so on and so forth. Then we have tabs. We have tabs with polka dots, then tabs without polka dots. Then we have frames. And then we have frames with polka dots. Then we have tiny letters in the rectangle like this, and we also have some in a circle, 3/8 circle, 3/8 inch circle, and then we have tiny letters, and again it comes in assorted of colors for the numbers and the letters. We have the black text and the white text. We have grid paper in 2 different sizes in a multitude of colors. Then we have cameras, and we have the sketchy camera. So we have cameras that have 8 different kinds of cameras. And then I got him to do my favorite camera right here. Then we have banners. We have some arrows. We have 2 different types of arrows. We have your smaller arrows with just a little bit of words. And then we have the bigger arrows that have some words. And then we have some arrows pointing that way and some arrows pointing to the left, depending where you want to put them in your clusters. So I just thought it would be nice to do a recap, because every week we come out with new products. Again, these are digital, and most of the files are $1.50. So you get quite a few embellishments on one sheet. But the best part about it is that you can keep printing them over and over and over again. So it's a one-time cost, and then, you print them with your printer. And then that's it. I just want to update you on the new products this week. We have some wood slices that you can punch out, and some small and bigger sketchy cameras. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.